Good morning, YouTubers. This morning I wanted to share with you a video regarding my 2007 Chevy Silverado. I have a 5.3 liter engine. Um, Various videos on YouTube indicated that in the mornings when I would start the vehicle, it would start knocking, kind of like if a rod or a lifter was bad. After watching several videos, the videos indicated that this is a common thing for Chevy Silverados and that they call it kind of like the piston slap. But after doing some evaluation on my vehicle, it was doing it for several months, um, and it was kind of like by the bottom tire here. You can see here, the sound would primarily be more stronger in this general area here, the engine part. After taking my truck to the shop, one of my codes had popped up and it indicated that my bank 1 O2 sensor was insufficient. So I took it into a muffler shop, and it turns out that the cat, inside the cat, you wouldn't be able to see it. Around it, it had came apart, and therefore it was causing this knocking noise, kind of like a tack, 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 tack. And it would gradually go away as the truck heated up, but in the mornings it would be so loud. But I took it into the shop. I replaced the cats, and the noise went away. So this morning I started it up, as you can see, and no noise. I wish I would have filmed it before, but I do have a '07 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter. So if your vehicle has this, my vehicle didn't have a code at first, but the noise would just gradually constantly go on. So I would suggest have your cat to where the primary, because we have two cats, one on the passenger side, one on the driver's side. Have the vehicle checked out for the cat if you are getting that knock. This is my video, and this is what helped me out. God bless, and I hope it helps you.